What's up, guys? What's going on? So today we're gonna finally install the TA Wing, which I actually ordered like a week before I got the car. So gonna load it up, gonna head over to my buddy Bill Auto Sports shop, get it put on. We'll go on with our day. Super excited. If you guys didn't see our last videos, go ahead and check them out. We got home at night, and the very next day in the morning, we got the wheels powder coated and the brake calipers painted. So today is a day after that. So day 2, putting on the TA Wing, and I'm so excited. I'll see you guys there. This obviously fits very well here.
That was Renee.
Renee.
Oh, the stripes are actually painted in too.
Yeah, dude, they're painted. It's apparent. At first I wasn't like about them, but then like I got the deal I wanted on the car, so
yeah,
I was like, why not? And now I actually really like them.
Yeah, no, it suits it.
It's like a $4,500 option apparently.
Damn.
I was reading a documentary. Apparently any stripe option on the Viper takes them like, oh yeah, we need to talk about that.
Okay. I was like, that's missing.
Yeah, it takes them like 18 hours to paint. It's crazy.
Yeah,
so
very time consuming. We've done stripes.
So what happened was, I was racing in Aston Martin on the way back from Mexico.
Oh, and they blew out?
One of them blew out. One of them blew out. So then I punched the other 5 out so it matches. But I already ordered a replacement. It was only like 80 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah, but the rest of them are in the trunk.
Is it just...
Yeah, no, I kind of chipped it a little bit like when it came out. So dude, it's really shitty clips. I can show you them. It's like 2 or 3 little tiny ass clips and then like 3M tape, but the 3M tape's like 8 years old. So
yeah.
like wasn't really holding, because people, they pop them off like this for the track, and then they pop them back in when they go on the street. And like the ACR, they also pop out, the ones that are right here. But yeah, dude, it's oh no, yeah, you guys are gonna fix that too. No, so yeah, no, I got stuff coming up for it. It's gonna be here a few times. Okay. Yeah, so I ordered the Viper. It just says Viper on the side. Okay. It's like it goes from here to here. I'm gonna have you guys paint them black and then put them on. Cool. I ordered like the decal, the Viper TA badged. It's black.
So it's black and then red, right?
It's just black, but since my car's red, the background's gonna be, so it's just gonna be like an outline. Okay. But obviously I can't center anything to save my life, so.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, and then I ordered the APR. Well, I ordered stuff.
Cool. Okay. Like, that needs to go. That
needs to go so bad. No, so I'm gonna have you guys actually paint match. I want them red. Cool. So it kind of just blends in with the paint. What do you think? 'Cause I think black makes them pop out.
So what you can do is, we've done it because it's got an LED in there, right?
Yeah, I don't think so.
So what we can do is we can actually, we smoke them first, and we tape out like a little line, and then paint the rest body color, so it still shines through.
Oh, that would be sick.
So smoke, and then just do a slit, and then the rest body color. Yeah, kind of hides them.
We can do that, or just body color the whole thing. I mean, the rears are fine. They're red, obviously. Yeah. Oh yeah, fuck. I guess we can check out the wing. Let's see. Can you? Like, I'm gonna hold it, and then you can pop it up. There you go. That's that big ass box in there. It's actually a really nice piece. Oh, do you like this shit? How it's all carbon on the bottom?
Oh yeah, that is.
Yeah, the hood's the same way.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hey, how do you like the new car? How you been? Good seeing you.
Good
to see you, yeah. Sorry, I messed that up. Yeah. Where's the ZL1? Yeah, this is the new car.
Man, this is so cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, did we notice some flaws?
We did. That'll come out though.
Yeah, no, the whole.
Polish right there.
Yeah, the whole car needs a paint correction.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you.
Awesome.
I bought it with 1,800 miles, and I drove it back from Colorado, so it's got 3,200 right now.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, I love it. You guys are gonna be doing quite a bit of work to it here and there.
Yeah.
The vent, you just reach in there, and you're gonna feel the thing. Just pull it.
Oh, that.
Yeah, there's nothing inside. And just pull it up.
Oh wow, the lights come up with it and everything.
Yeah, the whole thing's a carbon fiber piece. It weighs, I think, like 30 pounds. So is this a sports car or is it a supercar?
It's a supercar. What do you mean?
Yeah. All it needs is some turbos.
No, it will. It will get turbos actually. Yeah. So I have 3.5 years of factory powertrain warranty left. And then when it's over, I'm going to send it to Calvo Motorsports for a CM 1300 kit. Because they give you a 2-year, 20,000 mile warranty when you get their turbo kit. So
it's just like an engine brace for stability.
Yeah.
Stability.
Yeah, they made some of them came with an all carbon fiber one, and I really want to order it, but I don't want to spend money on it right now.
Yeah. Super nice.
It's OEM, so
Mine is a factory part.
yeah, it's a factory part from. It came factory on the Viper TAs, and then it came as a like street package option on other ones. Dude, check out how nice this carbon is, dude. Yeah, so when I saw that, bro, I was like, there's no way that's gonna hold a wing.
No.
I was like, I need to hit up the Josh.
We will have to just run it all the way across. I'll have to get Ryan. But yeah, just run tape all the way across the whole thing.
And then just stick it on.
Yeah.
I figured it shouldn't be too bad. I was actually gonna, at first I thought I was gonna have all the tape already.
If it's an OEM part, I'm surprised it doesn't.
It is an OEM part.
Yeah, I know. That's
Weird, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, since you guys live like 1 second away from my house, I was gonna be like, hey, can I swing by real quick? I'll cash you out at home.
Okay. Alright. Find Ryan.
It's amazing, dude. I love this thing. Go say hi to Ryan too. What do you think about the wing?
Pretty sick, dude.
It's factory.
That's gonna work.
So
Put some adhesion promoter, double-sided tape, we good to go.
awesome, dude. Yeah, I ordered a diffuser. I'm gonna bring the car back for a few more things, but damn, dude, you are an animal at this. Oh my god. It's like just like the correct size and everything too. Dude, I know. That's why, dude. That's why I just like work longer so I can make more money, so I can just give it to you guys instead. I do not want to do this myself, bro. I've had so many encounters with double-sided tape, and none of them. I mean, some of them worked kind of, but it wasn't like ideal, you know.
It's one of those things.
Exactly, dude.
And actually on this, because this tape right here is so thick,
yeah,
contact, I have to double it up. So I'm gonna do 2 layers.
Oh wow.
So
you're gonna double it up on the tape, or you're gonna peel it and then double it up on top?
Peel it and then double it.
Oh,
so
wow.
you gotta stick to the stick, or it don't stick.
Ah, makes sense. Yeah, dude. Every time I install the, yeah, for all you do-it-yourselfers, every time I put a front splitter on the F, it broke off. Whenever I paid Ryan to do it, it never broke. So this here I am. Might be enough. So funny. You're like, I really want this now.
Yeah, I need it. I'm just gonna get.
Or do you need to re-up for the shop?
I'm just gonna re-up the shop. Yeah.
Makes sense. All right, Josh, let's walk over to the skate park.
But I'm down. 35 Michelin's does not hook.
Some 345s. Well, yeah, because he needs an compound tire. That's what he needs.
Yeah.
Dude, this place is so sick.
Yeah.
Buns. Aquí estamos en el Van Skate Park mientras esperamos que se acabe nuestra comida. ¿Está perro aquí? ¿Está perro? Dude, I was like 100 pounds lighter and I used to skateboard. Dude, should we start skating again?
Yeah, I'm down.
Dude, we would break our ankles on the we'd ollie off this and break our ankles, dude.
That's true.
Oh, we got the wing on. We got the wing on. Oh, this thing looks so badass. Oh, I'm so glad I bought this. Oh my god. It's like the car's only been here for like a day and it already has it. That's what happens when you're impulsive like me. It's amazing. Heck yes. All right. All right, guys. So that's it for the video. Put our stuff in. Gonna get them paid. And yeah, head down to my office. Have some paperwork I need to sign and stuff like that. And that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time because we have more mods coming for the Vibe. All right, how much is that spoiler?
$36.95.
Damn, I got a deal, bro. 1,000 off.
Damn. Yeah, sick.